Hi, my name is Wayne Odegaard with Aviation Laboratories, and today I'd like to speak really briefly about hydraulic fluid and hydraulic systems. Okay, so if we take those same principles and apply them to an actual hydraulic system, what we'll see is that we may have a hydraulic fluid reservoir here, right? This is hydraulic oil, and we're drawing out of that. Normally, these kinds of systems have a filter to filter all of the dirt and debris, whatever, out of here. This is full of hydraulic oil. From the filter, we have to pump. The pump acts as the force. Remember in the other drawing I had where we said you push down on that plunger? The pump actually provides the push down. So let's make this the pump. This is the motor that drives the pump. So this is all part of the hydraulic system. We want to have a pressure actuator here, and we're going to go to a control mechanism that's got sort of an on-off forward and reverse. And we'll take this to, this is our actual work is done right here. This is where the load is. It could be a car, could be whatever. The load is here. And then we got a piston in here, and then we've got this goes back to here and back to here. This is a closed hydraulic system. We draw the hydraulic oil up through the filter. The pump pushes it through here. This is the forward controller and reverse and off. Once you say. So if we want to go forward, we want to lower the load. So we let the hydraulic fluid gets pumped in here. This is on forward, it comes in here, drives this piston down. This comes out here through the controller and back to the hydraulic reservoir, the hydraulic oil reservoir. We can reverse that. So we change this to reverse. The hydraulic fluid comes out here, goes into here, pushes up against here and raises the load up. Again, the pump is driving this, and then the fluid goes back down here. That's the basics of a hydraulic system. And it's all, again, based on Pascal's law. And this is what we see in aviation, whether it's to lift landing gear, whether it's to operate flaps, various kinds of the doors, various kinds of hydraulic fluid controls. We also see this on hydraulic power units or mules. We see the same kind of setup, only it's self-contained. So we can plug the mule right onto our aircraft without powering the aircraft up and test the hydraulic systems on the aircraft. So this is basically how a hydraulic system works. Again, the basis of this is Pascal's law, the non-compressibility of fluids, and the fact that we can use a force multiplier by looking at the surface area of the plunger and the power requirements. And all of this works together to give us a hydraulic system. On the next video we're going to do, we'll talk about the hydraulic fluid testing that we're doing. But for now, this is Hydraulic Systems. Thank you for watching.